I remember when I tried meditation for the first time, sitting alone, no phone. To be honest, I was expecting a peace of mind, calmness. But instead, I felt like hundreds of bees buzzing my head. All these old memories, problems, trauma, regret, anxiety started getting very loud in my head. To an extent, I was not ready to listen to them. So what did I do? I went straight to my phone, scrolling on social media, went out with friends, trying to distract myself. Are you familiar with such experience? Let me know in the comment section. But here is the thing. One of the most important questions we should be asking ourselves is, who am I? And you'll be surprised, most people don't actually know who they are, even though we assume we do. But do we? Let me ask you this. Who are you? And the only place to find the answer is in solitude, where the I am is always hidden, but it has been clouded by so many preoccupied things in life. Things like what? We worry about the future. We hold on to the past. We live to satisfy the expectation of how society wants us to be. We keep craving for more wealth, success, achievement. We don't know what is enough. We keep craving for more. And I'm sure that's why Seneca says most of us are not living. We are just existing. Of course, at the beginning, it's not comfortable to be alone. Why? Because the truth comes out. All the lies you've been telling yourself, pretending to people, when you are alone, there's no acting. There's no audience to perform for. And guess what happened? The mask falls down. Yes, it's scary. And that's why most people are afraid to be alone by themselves without no distraction. But this is what I want you to know. There are so many good things about solitude. And one of them is it helps you to know how to separate yourself from your thoughts, which is the thinking, and your emotion, which is the feeling. By just observing them, you're like the sky. The clouds can come, they can go, they can be black, they can be white. Don't try to identify yourself with your emotion, your thoughts, your problems, your trauma, your past. And then you will realize most of what you think is not coming from you. It's not you. Don't believe them. And this is the biggest illusion when it comes to solitude. It's also one of the reasons why most people don't want to spend time with themselves without distraction. You ready? Most people believe that being alone is like disconnecting you from living your life, from enjoying life. I'm very young. I'm not a monk. I'm not a imam. I'm not a pastor. I'm not a pope. But it's not like that. And it's not true. Those few minutes of solitude can transform your life and connect you with yourself. As Seneca wrote in his book, Letters to a Stoic, actually it was a reference quote from Hikato that says, "What progress, you ask, have I made? I have begun to be a friend to myself." And let me tell you the secret between you and I. Once you are able to be a friend to yourself, it's over. You are free. You start to know, you start to aware, you start to see things. You don't care if somebody likes you or not. You don't care if they validate you or not. External things cannot regulate you. You don't need their love. You don't need someone to tell you, "I love you." Not even your children, not even your family, your wife, your partner. You don't need nobody. Because you know who you are now. You have them already with you. You have become a friend to yourself. And you will never be alone. You see, there is so many benefits and good things when it comes to solitude. It brings you awareness. You start to know, you start to see things, you start to wake up, you start to realize things. And it will help you to know that everything you've been looking for outside of you that you think will bring you happiness, will give you success, is always within you. I want you to give a try to solitude. Meditation. Just sit by yourself. You don't need to make it difficult. You don't need to be in a room, put candles, reciting words. No. Just sit alone without no phone, no distraction. Just try to notice the things around you. Touch them if you can. Observe them. That's all. Listen to the thoughts. What's coming in? You listen them. You don't need to spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 30 minutes. No, just spend few minutes. You can start with 1 minute. And that will change your life. Try it. It works for me. It helped me. It changed me. Try it, please. And come back and let us know what changes you have gained through solitude, through by being alone with yourself.